Oh, hi everybody. I'm Lauren and I'm the resident skeleton here at Amoretti. And today I'm going to be making you a drink that I personally loved so much as a baby skeleton. It is called a bug juice milkshake and it uses our bubblegum syrup and natural green food coloring. So let's get these lights back on and get started because we don't want to scare you too much while making this drink. All right, to kick off this recipe, we are going to start with some plain old vanilla ice cream. Pop that into your blender. I'm going to add in, well, I'm going to start with about a half a cup. If it feels like I need a little bit more, I'll add another quarter cup of milk. But usually, if you're using 3 regular scoops of ice cream, you'll only need a half a cup of milk. And to me, that looks great. Now we're going to add in 1 pump of our bubblegum syrup. And this is naturally flavored. So you get nice, bold, natural bubblegum flavor. Nothing weird is in there. It's naturally sweetened as well. And it tastes exactly like bubblegum. The first time I tried this, my mind was blown. I couldn't believe how authentic the taste is. So if you like bubblegum, this syrup is definitely for you. So now I'm just going to be adding in 2 teaspoons of our natural green food coloring. And this is made with plants. So you get a very natural green color without anything strange in there. You can feel safe giving this to your kids and family. 1. 2. Get our lid back on. And now, last step in actually making the milkshake, let's blend it up. All right, we are blended up. Now let's get this milkshake into our glass so we can top it off with some special ingredients. All right, now let's just throw on some whipped cream here, because what is a milkshake without a little whipped cream? Or a lot of whipped cream, whatever you prefer. And I went out into the yard and got some dirt here. So I'm going to just sprinkle that on top. Just kidding, it's not dirt. Just crushed up cookies, just chocolate cookies. And the final touch and my most favorite, some gummy worms. Because what is a bug juice milkshake without some worms? I mean, this is like, I love worms in my milkshake. How about you guys? Perfect. And now, all that's left to do is drink it. Let's give it a try. Delicious. Literally tastes like I just put a piece of chewing gum in my mouth. Like, this is so good. It tastes exactly like bubble gum, but in milkshake form. This is a great drink to make with your kids, your family, or just for fun if you just really want a fun, festive Halloween drink. Because we all, after the past 2 years we've had, deserve some fun festivities in our lives. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I do. Be sure to hit that like button below and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new recipe for a drink, dessert, or any kind of savory dishes. Also, make sure to follow us on social media. You can find us as @Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Bye.